Hey, I've just recently done a video on Brazelton, and right next to Brazelton is Hoschton. And you really can't talk about one without the other because they are so close together. But anyhow, my intention is to show you some homes throughout my next few videos of areas in Hoschton, Brazelton, Northeast Georgia, 45 miles or so northeast of Atlanta, that you can get an idea of what we have available here: new construction, resale, pricing from the 300s to over 2 million. But right here, I want to show you this neighborhood here. This is special to me because I do have a client that is building this house here. And so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little bit over 1,400 square feet or so, but there's so many amenities at this neighborhood, and it's an active adult community. So I want to just show you a few things. So something you can do up here is add 4 feet to your garage. So when you pull your car in, you've got plenty of room for workbenches or golf carts or whatever it is you're thinking about. So as you're entering the front door, there's a bedroom up front, and then you have a great room with a kitchen. And this is an awesome space, and wait till you see it finished off. He chose some extra finishes on the flooring and trim, and you've got your covered patio, and so your kitchen, great room. You've got the primary back here on this side of the house. Excellent lighting, bathroom, closet. It's going to have some tile work. As far as this neighborhood, there's so many amenities. I might even forget some of them, so don't hold it against me. But they're big on pickleball. They have an excellent, basically a luxury clubhouse with a gym and yoga, art classes, entertainment, pool table, coffee bar. They got a flower garden, walking trails. There's so much to do here, 55 plus. But this gives you one of the avenues if you're relocating or downsizing, and you want to move up here where the pace of life is a little slower. I really do enjoy this neighborhood, and I'm glad I've got clients in here. I'll be following this video with some videos of some other homes in the Brazelton, Hoschton area, adult communities with HOAs, resales, anywhere from 300 to a couple $1 million, to give you an idea what it would be like to relocate to this area, and what's available, kind of be your boots on the ground for your search for a home. If you're downsizing, relocating, upsizing, whatever it is you're doing, I like to be your trusted resource. See you later.